Hi, folks and friends on YouTube. Thanks for being here. I'm Still Dreaming is my channel, and a little bird told me to make a video about my bird-inspired decor that I have here in my little uh, dining area, I guess you could call it. So, and the last video that I made, I took a little video of this little sequin blue bird, and I also took a little video of these two red cardinals here on my 4th of July inspired welcome sign. And so, like the last video, I ended with the birds to segue into this video that I'm making right now. So we're just going to pan this way around, and I'm going to share my my bird-inspired decor that I have. So this is it's not really a prayer, it's a poem, but this was one of the first things that I found that gave me the inspiration to decorate with birds. So it says, oh gosh, it's kind of hard to read. Said the robin to the sparrow, I should really like to know why these anxious human beings rush about and worry so. Said the sparrow to the robin, friend, I think that it must be that they have no heavenly Father such as cares for you and me. So I have this sign, and up at the top here, I'm going to have to stretch. That is a votive candle holder, and see the little bird. He's all around on all sides. And then way up higher, gosh, I have a little picture there with two little birds. And everything is from the thrift store. Everything is from the thrift store. And then a little more over to the right, I have just a little small tin with a little bird and 3 little bird eggs. And then coming down, down this wall, straight down, this was actually a pillow. The thing that we're looking at right now, it used to be a pillow, and I took the pillowcase off the pillow, you see? Here, let me, whoops, sorry about that. See here the zipper? So there was a pillow inside this, and I had to figure out a way to display it. So I took the pillow out, and I just tacked it up on the wall here. And then down below, and then I put this, I just have this little hook here, and then this sign I found a long time ago. Like I said, everything is from the thrift store. Oh, you know, except for this burlap tote that was given to me. My neighbor next door gave that to me, and the reason why I have it hanging there on the hook is because this is where I put the grocery bags and the grocery totes. When we go out to buy groceries, we take the there's bags in here. So that's how I keep them organized. And then in this little corner spot, this is just a frame. It's just like a tin frame, and it's got the birds. And then this behind this here, this print, it's a floral print, and the color is gray and white with a white background. This is actually a placemat. It's one of 4. So I I'll show you right now what I did with the other three. And then this is a plate. It's a special edition plate. It actually belonged to my mother. This was one of the first inspiration pieces. Well, actually, it was the very first inspiration piece, and it's real special to me because it belonged to my mother. She kept it in a little hutch in her living room, and you can see there's two lovebirds. There's two lovebirds, and then oh, and so I used the other three placemats this way across this table, like a table runner. See that? Okay, and then also I hung this up. This is just a little, it's a little thing to hang on a door so you can hang things from it, like purses and I don't know, stuff like that. Well, I got some little rings with little hooks. They're rings with little pinchers, and I strung them together, and I made a chain that way, and so I dangled it from here, and then this is another little decorative bird in a cage, and then I put the tassel on. I added the tassel, so it kind of looks like, you know, two bird cages. And then, oh, this is a little chime. It's a wind chime, and I have it clipped here, right here to my curtain, and it just takes but a soft breeze, and it'll move the wind chime, and it'll make a pretty sound. So yeah, so that's the bird inspired collection that I have. So this I made too, if you want to. Oh, I forgot one of my birds. Right here, you see? This is actually a piece to hang jewelry. See the little hooks right here? I had it in my room at one time. I had all of my bird collection in my bedroom, but I took it out of my bedroom and I brought it in here. So, and it's a what do you call this? It's iron. It's iron, but it's patinaed. Yeah, I forget. They call this something. Anyway, it's made to look like a little a bird in a nest in a little tree or a little branch. And then that's my this is my apron. But this too, I wanted to share that I made this. This was a bookshelf, and it had doors, but the doors got damaged, and so I put a dowel, a wooden dowel, and I used wood stain to color it this color. And then I had, these were rings to hang curtains from a time before. And then these were two pillow shams that I deconstructed and turned them into little curtains to cover. So inside, whoops, sorry about that. Let me see, I've got a light in here somewhere. Where is it? See, I put a little light up at the top there. So this is where I store some of my things. Yeah. So, and then just to give it a little detail, I bought this brown ribbon and I put little bows on each little ring, each little hook ring. So it looks like that. Now, did I get all the birds? Yes, I did. All right, so I'm going to close the video now. Oh, let me back up a little. All right, thanks for hanging out. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.